Hey everyone, so today I had a couple of great calls with Drone Industry Insights. They're a marketing and research firm. They're totally switched on when it comes to the drone space. Had also a really good call with Trucks Capital. They have an incredible portfolio of autonomous vehicle companies on board with them. Also finalized some more collateral for the DAV Alliance and for DAV as a whole. And I'm about to head home to finish up things and do some more outreach for tonight, and then I'm going to wrap up, I think, for the weekend. I will see you guys next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here in Silicon Valley, doing some interviews with a few of our awesome advisors, both Priyanka and Viren today. That's it though. Have a great weekend and a great night.
Hey guys. Last week I finished expanding the drone delivery protocol, which basically means that we now have the full funnel of communication for drone delivery missions. And I helped Alec and John approach several taxi and ride-hailing organizations. During the weekend I helped Srinivas, our developer, with some issues on GitHub regarding the new branding for the Missions app. And also worked on opening several issues today for missions for the current version that is live. And well, these are the items for today, guys. Thanks.
Hey guys, so today I started the day with making the DailyDAV, and then I did some minor corrections to Ellen's interview, which will be live soon. And then I made a DAV logo animation, which will be the official closer to our videos. And then I did some writing to my DAV Insider, and that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hi everybody. Today I finished with creation and funding mission smart contract, and now I'm gonna move to integrate it with the mission's front-end app. Bye!
Hey DailyDAVers, so today, Sunday, beginning of the week, this week we intend to finish the Copper Express integration. Today I'm going to work on the integration between Aerospike and the mission control, going to redesign the flow. See you tomorrow!
Hey there, Davers. So today I'm focused on the KYC and whitelisting process. That includes a few updates and final touches to the terms and conditions and the crowd sale details, working with our general counsel and Noam. I'm also working on the crowd sale and identity smart contracts and integrating a pull request to those from Anatoly. Also today I introduced a small fix to our CLI tools, allowing them to work on older node versions as well. See you tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I continued with our ongoing communications with our contributors and some new agreements. Today, now that Noam's back in the office, I'm going to be sitting down with him to go over our current status and determine some next steps as we get closer to the token tap. See you tomorrow.